Good morning from Gran Canaria. We have arrived, we have docked, so let's go get some breakfast before we go on our excursion. It looks like a beautiful day.
...30 degrees in this at the end of winter time, because we are in winter. Yes. Well, and we'll leave now the pier of Santa Catalina. We want to recommend you to keep the same place where you are. That will be your seat during the journey. And also please fasten your seat belts during the trip also. Exactly close to us on the right side we can read Mercado de Vegeta, market, inaugurated more than 150 years ago. Inside we can see the fresh product. Yes, the cultivation in Gran Canaria, also very rich. Here on the right side. And the past was outside the city, yes? Yes, because at the past, all this area on the right side, that was cultivation, especially bananas, till the middle of the 20th century. Now we plant buildings, yes? Now we plant buildings. Volcano of Bandama. Why? That is the youngest volcano in Gran Canaria. What that means? That means that Bandama was the last eruption in Gran Canaria, and that was in the year 70 after Christus. The last eruption here was for a long time, 70 after Christus. Yes, we are in the northeast. The first eruption was at the opposite side, at the southwest. When? According by experts, that was in a period of time of 14 million years ago. Gran Canaria, our island, that is the third oldest island.
This is stop number 1, which is sand dunes. So yeah, stop number 1 on the P&O Leisurely Gran Canaria excursion. Sand dunes. So pretty.
Coastline come from Maspalomas, but not from the sand dunes because it's protected landscape. This sand come from the sea of Maspalomas, undersea. Amadores Beach, this place where we are, was inaugurated in 1999.
good morning. That was really, really interesting to see different places in Gran Canaria. We've just got back to the ship, so we're going to go get some lunch up on the pool deck. To use my sunglasses, no, it's beautiful today. It's about 24 degrees, so we're going to head up to the pool deck, get some food and chill in the sun. And we've booked massages for later, can't wait. So ready for a massage, so let's go and see what's at the pool deck. So when you book in for the spa, you come and sit here by the gym and wait for your therapist. You then have a question. There we go, so a good day in Gran Canaria. I have been to the spa, which you have seen. I had a deep tissue massage, which was well and truly needed. So that was really good. I then got ready and we went down for dinner. We did share a table, but I'll show you the food I had. And now we're just gonna head to bed ready for Lanzarote in the morning. So I will catch you all in the morning. Good night.